Back with another video. Going to try and be more consistent. We're going to be going through the crypto market because it's going through such a big change right now. I know I've gone through it a little bit in the past videos, but we're going to do a full, short, deep dive in just to what's going on. So, a lot of legislation is getting passed with Trump, all that kind of stuff going on right now. Specifically, the Genius Bill. They are regulating crypto now. The government is getting involved. They're going to make stable coins with the U.S. dollar, trying to expand the U.S. dollar and have superiority wherever the money flows, just in general. Obviously, it's going to crypto, so that's where they're headed, trying to regulate it, make their profit off of it. I want to show the best ones to be invested in right now and why, because there's not a ton of news on it. It's kind of a unregulated and just hard to learn thing as of right now. We're going to start from the top. Number one, Litecoin. Don't know too much about it, but I do know that it is one of the first coins to be on Fidelity. That is not Bitcoin or Ethereum, so it's not a big name. Obviously, that's going to help it out. That's why I'm holding it. Just a simple kind of buy. Solana, Solana is just a good coin to have. A lot of APY. I believe it's like 5.13 right now. Just a good coin to have in general. Next is going to be XRP. XRP is something not a coin I learned about today, but learned more about it today. XRP is from a company called Ripple. They are actually going to be the first cryptocurrency to be classified as a bank in the eyes of the government. And their main coin that they use is XRP. They rely on moving very fast and a lot of things very fastly. So we can read the description because it'll better explain it. But that is kind of their goal, and they're backed by the first bank, or the first cryptocurrency that is also a bank. So it's kind of an interesting one. Permissionless, low-cost transactions, permissionless, scalability, eco-friendly, like kind of a mass, something that moves really fast. So, yeah. Oh, it actually mentions, saw Ripple in there, so it's kind of a really good one to have in the future. Say that one's going to be a big one for sure. Obviously, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those are going to be big. Ethereum, just another stable coin. Bitcoin, you can do all your sorts of research on that. Those two are a pretty big name. They're out there. Everybody knows everything about them. I'd look into APYs because a lot of coins offer staking, and that's a whole nother deal that will be probably changed in the future regarding government and regulation. It's going to be staking. I know where I'm at, Texas, right now, they don't allow staking, but they allow APY somehow. So I'm not sure if that's some sort of loophole or what's going on, but somehow that's happening. Avalanche is another good one to have. There's a subscription. September 2020, so relatively new coin. And then you kind of got your smaller meme coins, smaller market caps, more volatile. They're kind of just the big plays. I'm not going to put a ton of money into it, but if it explodes, kind of deal. And then one thing I wanted to actually go through and show y'all that is crazy is on Coinbase, they have these three updates right there in the middle. And as you can see, the market cap for cryptocurrencies in general on Coinbase is up 1%, even though it's trading down a bunch from what it was. So if we go to the month view, it is up 22%, the market cap, which is obviously, like, imagine the stock market just increased 22%. Just would be ridiculous. Next, we have trade volume, which within the past month is up 62% as of right now. But if you go to the peaks, it is at 151% trade volume. The buy ratio right now is 82% buying, Bitcoin dominance is actually down, which is kind of a good. It is a. This thing's gonna piss me off. Bitcoin dominance is down, which is, depending on how you look at it, kind of a good thing. It means more money elsewhere. So just generally kind of a good thing. But as you can see, a lot of changes going on right now, and I'm actually selling a lot of my, or about half my dividend portfolio to switch over to crypto because I can play it risky. I've got time, and just makes more sense for me, as well as moving, I'm not sure exact number yet, probably even some more money into just from my general other accounts and into crypto because it's moving so fast right now, and a lot of the info, and I'll recommend a video that I'm getting this from, is Crypto Just Went Mainstream But No One Else Sees Coming by Keith D. Want to give a shout out where it's due. A lot of the info is coming from here. Just kind of re-breaking it down, as well as giving my own spin off of it. But yes, as he says in the video, you kind of got to think about it, which I agree with. You got to think about it in decade sense. This is, you got to think about like gold. It's how I'm thinking about, like, it might be small right now, but in the future, you know, it's just, it's a currency. It's a sign of wealth. It's attached. It's a agreed upon. It's agreed upon value. So I think in the future, it's just only going up once you look at it on a large enough scale. So I'm going to be investing a lot more, but I wanted to give those those outlooks right now, and as well as specifically XRP and Litecoin, just because those are the two that I didn't know about. The rest are pretty more mainstream and easy to find information on, but those two are like the big ones that I haven't heard anything about. So I just want to give that update. That's it, short one. Thank you.